Good girl. I don't know who teaches these animals how to nurture their kids. God, nature is so wonderful. See the way he cleans them up, the way he nurtures them. If you have to the field, he push you out. See this one's want more. Now come this way. Come this way. You come this way. Come this way. Hello, you come this way so they have your feeding. You come this way. All right, good girl. Good girl. See that? So you come. The smallest. That's the smallest. The other one gone in for the milk. The race for survival has started already. That is nature for you. I learn a lot from these animals.